In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up users in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your QuickBooks experience with a team, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. For most people, this is the starting point whenever you're about to embark on some serious accounting work. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to find the QuickBooks Online homepage. Now in the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Once the sign in page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This is how QuickBooks verifies your identity, ensuring that all the data stays secure and private. So go ahead, type in those details carefully because accuracy here is key. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign In button. If everything was entered correctly, you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Now look towards the top of the screen where you see the Settings option, which looks like a small gear icon. Click on it to proceed to the next stage in setting up users. Under the Settings menu, you'll find several options that help you manage your QuickBooks environment more effectively. For our purpose, you'll want to click on the Manage Users link. This will open up a portal that allows you to view, add or edit user credentials for your QuickBooks account. Here you'll see a list of current users who already have access. To add new users, you'll typically invite them via email. It's a straightforward process that ensures only those you want working with your financial data have access. Just click on the option to add a new user, usually indicated with a plus sign or an invitation button, and follow the prompts to send them an invitation email. However, a quick note to keep in mind, when adding new users, QuickBooks might prompt you to upgrade your subscription if your current plan doesn't support additional users. They implement this to manage resource allocation efficiently. And that's it. With these easy steps, you can effectively manage who has access to your QuickBooks account, ensuring both security and efficiency in your workflow. Adding team members can significantly streamline your business operations, so take advantage of these features to enhance collaboration. I hope this tutorial was helpful and adds value to your QuickBooks experience. If there are any more questions or topics you'd like covered, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.